Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you a quick channel update on a few design projects I've been cooking up behind the scenes. Some of these have been in deep development for months and are finally nearing the finish line. We've made some minor, clever tweaks to existing gear, like our optimized toilet hatch storage solution. But one of our absolute biggest wins? Solving the dead space mystery. We've successfully designed a custom storage unit that fits perfectly in that tight void between the inner flyscreen door and the outer door. On the trickier side of things, the Fiamma Carry Bike washing line attachment is proving to be a fun engineering challenge, but we are getting closer to the final rock-solid design. Here's a first look at what's coming next. Here is some simple storage for the space between the shower screen and the vanity with a matching custom-made bin. These are my rear security lights that are remotely controlled from within the motorhome. This handy little torch holder by the door is the perfect spot, as it can be reached from the outside as well. Next, we have a simple but effective way of stopping your tent support poles from sinking into e-ground. They work on various surfaces, spreading the load evenly. There are holes all around the support in case you want to peg them down. And lastly, these were a great find. Neck pillows for the driver and passenger seats. They give you that extra bit of comfort on long driving days, and with the Renault logo, they look great. Those are just a few of the recent innovations and custom upgrades I've been working on for the motorhome. If you saw a solution that works for your setup or you're interested in any of these prototypes, drop a comment below and head over to www.rv3d.com.au to see more.